a times a plus 1 times a plus 2 equal to 2184. And a is a real number. We want to find all possible values of a. The first step, we can say the degree of left hand side is 3. So if we can find one root, then the solution will be so much easier. Now let's see how we can find the solution. So left hand side is a times a plus 1 times a plus 2 equal to. Right hand side is what? Equal to 2184. So let's factorize. So can we find a real solution? 2184 is multiple of 3 because sum of digits equal to 15. So we can say is 3 times 7 times 2 and 8. Now 7 to 8 is not multiple of 3, but if we check, is it multiple of 5? No. Is it multiple of 7? Yes. So it will be 3 times 7 times 104. And we can check also 2. 3 times 7, 104 is multiple of 4. It will be 2 times 4, 8, 24 is 6. So it will be 26 is 2 times 13. 3 times 7 times 4 times 2 times 13. Now we want to see, let's write it again. Let's rewrite the things we've reached so far. A times a plus 1 times a plus 2 equal to, we have 3 2's because we have 2 and 4 times 3 times 7 times 13. Now we want to see how we can write it as product of 3 consecutive numbers. We have 13, so if we consider 7 and 2, it's 14. And so let's write like this. 7, 2, 3, 2, 2 is 12. So it will be 12 times 13 times 14. So much good. Because left hand side is a times a plus 1 times a plus 2. So one answer is a equal to 12. It is our first answer. Now let's try to see, can we find any other answer? So a times a plus 1 times a plus 2. Let's take 2184 to the left hand side. We consider it as a polynomial with degree 3. Because the degree 3 and we found one answer, we can factorize, and with quadratic formula we can easily solve. Let's see how. If we multiply, it will be a times a plus 1 times a plus 2. Let's calculate this first. A times a squared plus a times 2 plus a 3a plus 1 times 2 plus 2 minus 2184 equal to 0. If you multiply a, it will be a cubed plus 3a squared plus 2a minus 2184 equal to 0. Next step, we try to factorize this. One factor is a minus 12 because a12 was one answer. And let's try the other find the other factor. We want to reach a cubed. Place a squared, then we have a cubed minus 12a squared. I need 3a squared. So I should place 15a. Then we have 15a squared will be okay, but 12 times 15, I can say 6 times 15, 90. 2 times 90, 180. Minus 188. But we want to reach 2a. So we place 182 and the last term will be 182 times 12. 12 times 182 is what is 2 times 2 times 3 times 182 is 2 times 91, which is 7 times 13. And we will see it is exactly this 12, 13, 14. This one 12, 13, 14. Okay. So we found the factorizing here. It is equal to 0. So the first term is 0 or second term is 0. If first term is 0, we've checked it here. Or if second term is 0. If second term is 0, then we conclude a squared plus 15a It's 182 equal to 0. Now we use quadratic equation. If you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, if x is a real number, then we conclude delta or discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, is at least 0. Here, if we calculate that, delta will be 15 squared minus 4 times 1 times 182. 15 squared is 225, minus 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 8, 32. We have 3, 7 to 8, which is less than 0. So we don't have any real solution. Our only real solution is a equal to 12. And if you want, you can solve. We have two other solutions in complex numbers. You can find them and comment your answer below this video. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.